It is a paid tool to advertise your product on LinkedIn. It is similar to how other social media platforms offer advertising tools and services on their platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. As said, LinkedIn advertising is similar to other social media advertising, but it has plenty of features and perks which makes it the best known for B2B marketing. To understand LinkedIn marketing or advertising, we will discuss some of its features and perks. Ads targeting. LinkedIn has several features which help you target the right user regarding your advertisement. You can choose to target your ad by selecting specific industry, job title, location, etc. This helps you to reach the right section of the audience into the vast user base. For additional benefits, you can also narrow down your search by selecting company, size, degree, skills, and also individual interests. Ad format. It has different ad format which you can choose according to your choice. There are plenty of options such as single image, carousel image, video ad, text, ads, etc. They might sound as mere customization but bring a lot of impact on your advertisement. With the right format, your advertisement would be more likely to generate potential leads. For example, if your product requires a demo to prove it's working, then you should go for a video advertisement rather than images, which will be hectic to slide each page for visitor, thus skipping your advert. Analytics. LinkedIn has plenty of tools to analyze your advertisement with features such as number of visits, number of impressions, click-through rate, for how many visitors click the link, etc. The data is also present with real-time updates and in different formats such as graphs, percentages for easy understanding. This helps you get an idea about how your advertisement is performing and understand the audience's choice and responses. Demographics. We have discussed a line of it in a previous point, but need to be termed separately to learn about it better. For its ad targeting, LinkedIn uses demographics such as age, profession, location, etc. to get more defined result. And if you proceed along with LinkedIn Premium, the search feature gets even more advanced. It adds on features such as looking for people with common interest, those who have recently left their jobs, have a history of work in industry related to your search, etc.